In this tutorial, I will show you how to create WhatsApp automation. You can easily create WhatsApp bots for free to automate conversations between your business and your customers using the official WhatsApp API. That is, WhatsApp Cloud API. Currently, WhatsApp Cloud API is open to everyone that wants to create WhatsApp automation for their own business. To get started, you need to register as a meta developer on Facebook on developers.facebook.com/apps. On the website, click on Create App to create your own app. Select Business and click on Next. Input the app name, app contact email address, select your business account, and click Create App. On the dashboard, scroll down to WhatsApp and click on Setup. Click on Get Started and select the business account that owns the phone number you want to use for WhatsApp automation. Click on Configuration and select Webhook. The webhook URL is https://whatsapp.chattrace.com/webhook/whatsapp.php. The token is WhatsApp. Click on Manage and subscribe to all webhook fields. Now you can start testing WhatsApp automation. Please take note of this information as you will need them when creating your WhatsApp bot. Please be aware that you will need to verify the test number with the phone number you use on the regular WhatsApp if you use the test phone number provided by Facebook. Now proceed to create your WhatsApp bot. Select your business account and select your phone number. Let me show you an example. Here we come to the end of this tutorial. Thank you for watching.